Good morning, it's Greg Sisson with RE/MAX First Choice here in Myrtle Beach, and I'm shooting this video obviously driving up. I am driving north on Ocean Boulevard here about 7:15 this morning, September, what is today? It's the day after Dorian, it's the 6th. I wanted to just get a video out. The main purpose of this video to get out to you this morning is if you are not here and you can't get information about your property, please give us a call, email me, and we will do our best to get out and just take a look at your property to make sure everything's fine. Many of you are part of an HOA. You're getting reports already. I mean, in terms of the storm, there's so much media today online. You can watch the news, you can watch videos. So, I'm not going to give you a report beyond we did very well. Obviously, there was tornadoes. That was a big deal early yesterday. Did some damage. Storm surge was the fear of multiple meteorologists of being our biggest concern, and that did play out in parts of the Grand Strand. Garden City was underwater for a while. Other parts of the Grand Strand did experience storm surge. But going up Ocean Boulevard this morning at 7:15 here at 65th Avenue is where I began this video. Debris, the normal debris down. But I've been to multiple beach accesses today, and frankly, you can't even really tell there was much going on. I'm approaching 76th Avenue North on the boulevard. There's probably looks to be 5 trucks working on power lines. The road is blocked. I can't tell exactly what happened, but there's a tree potentially on a power line. That's the kind of stuff that's going on now in Myrtle. But overall, we did very well. But please reach out to us if you need information about your property. When I woke up and looked outside, or when it became light, some of my neighbors had trees down, limbs, mostly big limbs down. Again, lots of debris, but overall we fared very well with Dorian. Remember last year with Hurricane Florence, what happened is that storm just parked on top of us for days and dumped tons of rain in North Carolina and South Carolina and filled our rivers. So literally 10 to 12 days later is when we had the catastrophic flooding, because that water made its way down and flooded the Intracoastal Waterway and of course the Waccamaw. So that's not what we're experiencing. This storm came and went in a hurry. So we had wind, storm surge, and unfortunately some tornadoes. So if you need anything, give us a call. Please reach out. Again, I'll say it one more time. If you can't find information about your property, give us a call and we'd be glad to go check it out for you, send a video, whatever we need to do. Thanks as always for watching. I've been very careful. Talk to you soon.